Canva. Canva is one of the best application that you can edit your logo for your social media network like Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, etc. As you can see, while opening Canva, you will see a logos option. There are many logos suggested by Canva already designed. You just need to have to tap on your logo and just edit rename it, or just edit the background of the images. Let me choose one of from this. Canva is one of the best and the best way to edit all of your images for social media network. Let me choose from you can choose any logo from it. I'm going to choose Adstack. This look cool and looks professional. Once tap on the logo, just click on to text and edit. You will see edit options below. Just rename your channel name or Insta page name, whatever you would like to create. I'm going to type Smart Assist. This is my YouTube channel logo I'm going to create right now. So now I'm going to change the font size. I'm decreasing to 42. Now it's fine. As you can see, there are two infinity logo inside. You can also tapping that you can change their logo colors just like this. You can choose any of colors from this. Okay, now this is fine. You can choose any colors whichever matches your logo and just click on to download. How easy, right? You can create a professional logo by using Canva. Canva is one of the best and the best platform to edit your images, videos or logos for your social media networks.